Hello, welcome to your Ben Lapine student-issued school iPad. This video will show you how to set up your iPad from the beginning. So when you turn your iPad on, you get the hello screen. First thing you're going to do is tap the home button at the bottom of the iPad. Now you're going to choose what language. I'm going to choose English for this. And now your country, choose United States. And at this quick start menu at the very bottom, you're going to tap set up manually. Now you're going to use your Wi-Fi network at home and use your login information for that. Once you've entered that information, you'll get a check mark by your Wi-Fi network. And so now on the top left, we're going to tap next. Now this may take a few minutes to load and activate your iPad, so be patient here. At the remote management screen, it's just letting you know what we are doing for remote management with our devices. You're going to tap next in the top right. And it's letting you know that you're going to use your student's Ben Lapine username and password. This username and password will be given to your students by the school or your student's teacher. I'm going to tap next here. And so this is where you're going to put in that username and password that were given to you. Once you've entered that information, tap sign in. Now here's a bug in our system. It bumps you back to the hello screen. So from here, you're going to tap the home button again, tap English and United States again. And now it's going to resume the process for configuring your iPad. This too may take a couple of minutes. Okay, when this screen pops up, you're going to tap the blue continue button. And then for location services, you're going to tap enable location services, the blue button again. And that's the basics of setup. So your iPad is now ready to go. And there are a few more apps that will auto-install, and I'll show that too as well. And so some apps and some links and some web pages will automatically load, and that's what you're seeing here. And this is based on your child's school. And these will auto-install. There's nothing that you need to do to install them. So just let them install and then check with your teacher on how and if you're using those services.